This is the quick all you need to know review of this Vanity mirror light. As a makeup nerd, I needed a really good light for my vanity. To me, it was important that it was cordless and easy to install. I didn't want to drill in my wall, and you have options so you can put this on with a sticker if you want. I was honestly quite surprised how good of a light quality this is. But let's get into the pros and cons of this lamp. First of all, here is the best feature. By pressing the buttons next to the power button, I can change the warmth and the intensity of the light. This is perfect for makeup, so you can choose if you want daylight or something warmer. I love this feature. I usually use the brightest light, like this, and it's not too white or too harsh. I think the light bulbs are perfectly sized, but let me show you what it does when the battery is empty. And unfortunately, the battery time is not the longest, but on the other hand, it's easy to recharge like this, and I keep a cord next to my vanity on the floor. You can still use the lamp while it charges. Overall, I am really happy with this purchase and can recommend it.